Hello my dear friends, I welcome you all again here in my video series where we are trying to replace very word from our day-to-day conversation. On this topic I have made few more videos which you can go through in your leisure time. Okay, so today's class we will begin with the first word, and the first word is blustery. Blustery means very windy. If your day was very windy, you can say the day was blustery. The next word is luminous. Luminous means very bright. Okay, so if you want to praise somebody's eyes which are very bright, you can say her black eyes are luminous. The next word in this series is cautious. Cautious means very careful. Okay, so if you want to give instruction or if you want to alert someone, then you say be cautious. Okay, cautious means to be very careful. Okay, instead of saying very in each and every line, you must say be cautious. He or she is cautious. The next word is furious. Furious means extremely angry. Okay, very angry. So the sentence will be, the proposal of that illiterate, uneducated, unsophisticated boy made me furious. Next word in the list of mine is adorable. If somebody is very cute, then you say adorable. Instead of this very easy and familiar word, very cute, you will say adorable. She is adorable. Her beauty is adorable. Okay friends, we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.